Hey friends, if you wish to fix the problem of no sound in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to set your audio device as the default device. And how would you do that? Search for sound settings in the Windows search bar and open sound settings. And now you can scroll down and click on more sound settings, and now go to the sound tab, the playback tab, and make sure that this is selected as default. Otherwise, right click on it and make it default. The next one is to check the volume mixer settings. Okay, click on the sound tray here and this symbol for volume mixer here. Now scroll down and check the volume for each and every app, and it should be high enough for the Microsoft Edge application. Then you can clear Edge cache and data. And how would you do that? Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then select History. Click on the bin symbol here, and then click on Clear Now. Lastly, you can, after this, you can, I would rather say, update the audio drivers. We don't really need to uninstall and reinstall them. So, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs, right click and update drivers. Okay. And the last solution is to run the playing audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.